this is fun. We're back to a Rolife laser cut wood project.
Oh, I was after this when I dropped large hints.
Yeah, so I found one online. They're not hard to find. You get them on Amazon.
That's where I saw it.
But it's a car garage.
Yes.
And some of my funnest times in my whole life have been spent, I mean, it sounds goofy, but smelling grease and gasoline and working out in the garage on a car.
Right.
And this is what our porch quite often looks like.
All the time.
You put a little Christmas tree out there.
I did. I need to put a little sign too that says, don't leave the packages right in front of the door because we can't get out. I have to run around the house to get to the packages.
Yeah, and I'll go out there and go, what did we order? And I can't even remember what I ordered.
Right. I mean, it blocks the sun. It's that bad at times.
As much fun as we have taking things over, working on our projects at Garage Mahal, it seems like we can always buy more projects than we ever build.
Well, sometimes, as you can see behind us.
But this time you got right on this one. Well,
I started on it. I wanted to get on it because it was so much fun. I've had my eye on this for quite some time. Now, talking about math, this always has an order of operations, so you want to read the instructions thoroughly. In the case of this model, it had this rafter and only one light, so it had to go in early, and plus that little built-out part in the wall, behind that's the battery compartment, so all of that had to be built like first. Now it came with this cute little actual shop light fixture, but I wanted to add to it like I always do. Just a bare bulb hanging down doesn't look good, so I put the little glass dome over it. It really helps to diffuse the light and spread it out better than just having a bulb hanging there.
I like it. It's a nice soft light.
Right, and it to me it looks more realistic than just having a little square bulb hanging down there. Now this kit came with a ton of drawers and little, things to keep tools in. A ton of them that have to be assembled, and I found out why. They actually open and close.
I like the weathered look.
Yeah, I sanded it and decided to leave it that way. And you can see there's a lot of shelves. Everything has to be assembled, even a step ladder. And drawers to keep tools in, and they all open and close if you assemble them right. And this part is probably my favorite, the infamous roll-around toolbox. And I had to put rat fink. That didn't come with it, but rat fink and tools kind of go together. And of course, I laughed. It had a bottle of sparkling water, just like I actually drink. But yeah, all of this came with the kit and the newspapers and the toolboxes and, generalized mess and disorganization.
It wouldn't be a proper shop if it didn't have a lot of clutter around.
No, I mean, you've ever been in a shop or a garage, there's a certain amount of clutter.
I see you've added your own clutter too.
Oh yes, I had to have the doors, since they open and close, you've got to have something in there. You've got to have a surprise when you open the door. And of course the slippery when wet sign, that was part of the kit.
And we have bins full of just 24 scale parts around here. So.
And then I even like making my own stuff.
Well, and it just isn't a proper roll-around toolbox without stickers all over
Well,
it.
and I kind of laugh over the names. I guess it's copyright, like Texaco with an E.
And the Hot Wheels sticker is a little...
And Lubricor, oh boy.
Everything, they're avoiding a lot of copyright issues here.
Yes, and I am too.
And some of it's just generic, trusty tools.
Yes, and that should be rusty tools.
That just looks so neat with the light on.
I know, I just love it when the lights are on in any model. Now I love this pegboard with all these tools hanging on it, but they were so thick, I decided to modify them a little bit and make them a little bit thinner so they look more authentic.
Yeah, those look quite nice.
Yeah, after looking at the pliers at the bottom, that's when I got the idea to take the others and thin them down a bit. And the oil can, that was one of your castings that I just borrowed to add to. And the little wrench, the same thing. I just wanted to make sure there was many tools and things. Oh, and then this, the drill bit. I actually created that drill bit to go on that drill. It didn't have anything, and I thought it's going to have a drill bit. So I just took some very fine wire and twisted it and drilled a hole where it was supposed to fit in, and stuck it in there, and now it has a drill bit. It looks a little bit better.
Yeah, and it's actually quite tiny. The pictures here are large, but when you see it in the model, it's so tiny. That is one of the high points of the model. I love little details like that.
Oh, and there's so much fun to do. It's just challenging to come up with something, but when you do, oh, it's fun. Comes the fun part of positioning everything where it's supposed to go, or where I think it's supposed to go. I actually moved the step ladder from where they had it, which was by the door, so I decided to tuck it in between the one tool drawer and the little cabinet. Just keep it safe. And I decided the plant was supposed to be there. It was part of the kit, but I decided with that clear acrylic to do a champagne glass and a shaker bottle. Got to add a few more of my own touches.
Well, and these champagne glasses are kind of your signature item.
Yes, exactly. Well, because the doors and drawers all work, they open up. You don't want to open it up and there's nothing in there. So I decided to add a few things of my own. Some books and some canisters and some cubes of some kind, it's a mechanic shop. And the same thing with these drawers. I've added to them. So all of these little drawers open and close, and you can see I'm using tweezers to open them, but I made some tools to go in there. You pull a drawer open, there's some tools and some things in there. And of course, some more junk in drawers, chains and whatnot, like you find in a shop. Books. You can never have enough books when you're working on things, mechanical or otherwise.
We are always making books.
Oh yeah, they're fun to make. And we have more stuff in here, things that you might need to use overhauling an engine.
It's just so fun because there's so many little drawers and things here.
Right, and they all work. When you put it together, if you do it right, they all open and close, and so you might as well put stuff in there.
This really turned out great.
Oh, it's so much fun. You see these little models, and most of them are whimsical, like a pastry shop or a coffee house, but I saw the garage and it brought back a lot of memories of me and my Camero and visiting the local mechanic a lot.
Well, and in this scale, it matches all these 24th and 25th scale cars.
It sure does.
So if you want to park a car here, you can.
I will the Camero for sure.
Well, hopefully you've enjoyed this, and so if you're not a subscriber to the channel, please subscribe, and you can do that by clicking on the upcoming blue button. Zoink! Right there, the blue button. Well, we're not sure how you found this video on the internet. We hope you didn't find it boring, and we will see you here next Sunday.
Right.
We'll see ya.
We'll see ya.
Bye-bye.
Bye.